Unleash Notion's hidden powers. 12 must-know AI features for every user. Notion has 30 million users, but most of them don't its AI superpowers. Here are 12 AI features every Notion user must know about. Point 1. Outline. Stuck on structuring your document? The AI outline feature organizes your thoughts into a clear, concise plan, perfect for streamlining ideas. Try it. 2. Brainstorm. Need creative ideas? Fast AI Brainstorm is your go-to. It's like having a brainstorming partner who's always on point, and the one who knows what to write and create about. Try this feature. 3. To-do list. Overwhelmed by tasks? The AI to-do list feature helps prioritize your tasks, ensuring productivity and focus. Easily create a to-do list for multiple tasks in a second. You don't have to add the to-do list one by one. Try this 1 to 10x productivity. 4. Press release. Drafting a press release made simple. The AI assists in creating compelling content that catches media attention. No need to waste time and money. Use this feature in Notion. 5. Social media posts. Struggling with social content? AI helps craft engaging posts that resonate with your audience. As a creator, I find this feature extremely useful. For ideation, it's the best. 6. Summarizing text. Easily summarize long text using Notion AI features. 7. Essay. Academic or professional essays. The AI assists in structuring, researching, and refining your arguments. Some people are wasting time on Google Docs to write an essay. Why not use the Notion AI feature for it? Try this. 8. Sales email. Elevate your sales game. AI crafts persuasive emails that capture interest and drive action. It won't be perfect, but will easily chase the perfect sale email for you. 9. Recruiting email. Finding talent made it easier. Write compelling emails that attract the right candidates. I've been using this for quite a while now. You will love this one as a recruiter. 10. Job description. Create clear, engaging job descriptions that attract top talent. AI makes it effortless. No need to waste any time. Use this AI feature. 11. Poem. Show your inner poet. AI helps craft verses for any mood or occasion. 12. Meeting agenda. Organize effective meetings. AI helps design agendas that ensure productive and focused discussions.